Ruth lets go the fatal throw, and the Babe socks it into the bleachers for his first homer of the series. And now for game number 4.
Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Babe Ruth and how he took advantage of one of the greatest solutions in history to protecting your retirement income. And yes, that's annuities. So Babe Ruth, let me tell you a little bit about him. He was a baseball player. Obviously, he was well known. He made about $52,000 a year. That's the equivalent of $900,000 per year right now. He lived pretty lavishly. Actually, he spent a lot of money during the Roaring 20s. He spent a ton. But his manager told him, hey, you know what? You should put some money into annuities. And so in 1923, he started purchasing annuities. He purchased a large one, and then he started purchasing smaller ones with his earnings all the way up until the 1929 stock market crash. And of course, when that happened, the Babe, he was forced to retire, okay? He could no longer play baseball. It was too much of a physical toll, and he, of course, didn't have any income coming in, and the crash kind of wiped him out, except, of course, his annuities. His annuity payments were around $17,500 per year, which, in today's dollars is around, $381,000 a year in guaranteed income. What he wanted most really for his wife was that she was taken care of when he passed away. And so he directed that his estate would purchase an annuity, a lifetime income annuity for her once he passed away. So that's exactly what happened. Of course, she was taken care of the rest of her life. Annuities typically, over time won't keep pace with the stock market, right? But it doesn't have the risk either, right? You don't have the stock market downside when everything crashes or when we're going through a bear market. Annuities don't have that. Okay, and the Babe realized this, and good for him. Early on, he was able to take the advice from his manager and start purchasing annuities, and it paid off. I mean, we never know when the next crash will happen. We do know it will happen at some point, but as time has told us, experience has told us that a lot of times we're not prepared. Even the savviest investors, a lot of times will lose everything, and it can happen overnight. And so if you're looking for a guarantee and you're looking for peace of mind, then maybe an income annuity could be your solution. Okay, there's a lot of annuities out there right now. Fixed annuities are paying high rates right now, but they're only for a certain term. It's either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 year. There's different terms out there that are paying more, and they're doing quite well. But the problem with that is at the end of that term, what are you going to do then? A lot of those fixed annuities are usually reverting back to a 1 or 2% minimum, which of course is not going to be enough to give you guaranteed income. Now, what if you could put money into an annuity that guarantees you 6 or 7% in withdrawals every single year, no matter how long you take it? Would that be something to consider? I would say if you're looking for peace of mind, and if you're looking for guaranteed income that you cannot outlive, nor your spouse can outlive, then that might make a lot of sense. Take some advice from Babe Ruth, okay? Take some advice from people who have been there, who never thought the bottom was going to fall out, okay? Who were spending lavishly and felt like there was going to be never an end to the money that was coming in, okay? Think about those people that a lot of those, of course, make far more money than most of us ever will. And they were still smart enough to take advantage of annuities because they knew when times get tough, you want something that's going to be there that has stood the test of time. And annuities have. I get a lot of questions from people about, well, are these safe? Well, they've been around since the Roman times, so probably. And when you're looking at A-rated companies that have been around the block a time or two and have been through a few wars and depressions and crashes, that's probably a good track record. So if you're thinking about safety and growth and guaranteed income, and most importantly to me, peace of mind, then book a call. I'd be happy to go over the top annuities and we'll look at exactly what you can get for your money. There is a link below this video. Go ahead and click on that link and book a time on my calendar. We can talk and we'll look at the best annuities available on the market. So if you're looking for something like that, then I'd love to work with you. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and we'll see you soon. I know annuities can be sometimes complex or sometimes difficult to understand. Sometimes the words I use are a little big as well. So if you got comments, questions, please put them in the comments below the video, and I'll answer them the best I can.